Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Anaconda. First of all, you'll need to write this one, Anaconda download, and you'll go on this page. After it's loaded, you'll just click on this one, download all, accept all, and you'll just put your email address. Okay, all right, we'll go to our email and check it. Okay, so over here, I'll go to download for Windows, download for Mac, or download for Linux. I'll just do this one, and the download has just started, as we can see over here. Okay. Alright, so that's it. If this video has helped you, please hit the like, subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.